Hi guys, hope you're all well. My name's Nikki and this is my art channel, Niki the Art. Okay, showing these gorgeous colours. Look at these, it's Colorshift Black Flash. Gorgeous, I've not used it before. And this is a mixture of TLP Blue Eyes with Decoart Pearl Metallic. Another beautiful colour, and this is another TLP, which is this Little Piggy, and it's Sangria mixed with Liquitex Prizm Violet, and it is beautiful, beautiful. And I'm going to swipe with Pebeo Iridescent Precious Gold, which is that one there.
I get the vibe that you're distant. There's something about you that's different. I see it in your eyes. Something isn't right. Tell me again what I'm missing. 'Cause you're fading on. We've been here before. Tell me again, just tell me again. Make it right. Don't go through that door. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. It is a lie when you tell me that nothing is wrong, just leave it be. But I see it in your eyes. Something isn't right. Tell me again what I'm missing. 'Cause you're fading out. We've been here before. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. Don't go through that door. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. I will make it right. I will make it right. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll. 'Cause you're fading out. We've been here before. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. Don't go through that door. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. Tell me again. Tell me again. Keep it up one more minute. Keep it up, you're so great. Standing, talking, you got me checkmate. No one's watching or nothing. I have cleared out the room, also that you can get to be the big spoon. Ooh, cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Cut through every little inch of my skin. Baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh. you. Ooh, ooh. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh. Can you feel the 779? Tell me you do. Baby, I can't wait, begin. Cuddle me, blue. Take me to the edges of you. Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in. Cuddle me, blue. Take me to the edges of you.
I'm so happy with this. I absolutely love these colours. It's so nice to do something sort of subtle for a change. This was supposed to be a base for me to put some transfer swipes on, but it came out so nice I just couldn't put anything over the top of it. That's why I use these neutral colours, because as I say, it was supposed to be a base to put some brightly coloured swipes over it, but no, when I saw this I just couldn't. Aren't these colours just beautiful together? I love it. So happy. So thanks for being here, guys, and if you like it, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do. Please subscribe, it really helps me out. Yeah, so please do, and share with your friends. And yeah, everybody take care, stay safe, and thank you so much for being here. Really appreciate you all, and thank you for all the lovely comments. So everybody take care, stay safe. I'll see you all soon, guys. Bye.